Hi, Mr. Andrew here, and today we're working some multiplication. We're going to get down the method of doing multiplication when we have more than just one digit. In this case, we have a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number. And we begin by taking the number on the bottom, taking the first digit of it in the ones place, and multiplying it to the top number, first to the 7, then to the 3, then to the 1. Making sure we only write down one digit at a time. If we get a 2-digit, say for this first instance, we have 5 times 7, which is 35, we'd only write down the 5, and we actually carry the 3. Okay. Now when we do this, now we have 5 times 3, which is 15, but we have this 3 above it. We actually have to add that to it. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. So here I mark a 1 above that one. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Now here, as I move down row, as I begin to multiply with the 2 is in the 10 spot. So we start in the 10 spot. We actually put a 0 or an X or some type of placeholder here. And that means when we start multiplying by the 2, which is in the 10 spot, we'll get numbers here that start in the 10 spot. So if I would have a number, say, in the hundreds here, when I move down to the third row, I'd add 2 placeholders, or 2 zeros. But in this case, we don't have that. Now here, 2 times this, 2 times 7 is 14, so I'll have to carry a 1, but I already have these numbers up top. I really don't want these numbers there. Most people, when they make mistakes in multiplication, look at their old carries. Look at their old carries, and that's not good. So here, I just mark completely out. Some people erase them, but just the idea is that you wipe them out. You don't want them there. 2 times 7 is 14, like I said. Carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And 2 times 1 is 2. Now that I have all the rows here done, I want to actually add the 2 rows together. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 1 is 14. And plus 1 over here, 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is 3,425. It's important to note here that these can all be done without a calculator. And although calculators seem like an easy shortcut and allow you to get the answers very quickly, it does not help you in the long run. Work on your arithmetic skills. It'll pay out. Thanks for listening.